lovely viewers, this is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let's prepare some peanut butter soup in Nkatekwan. So I have my peanut butter, half cup peanut butter. I have my turkey berries. I have my Maggie tablets, my rosemary and some salt to taste. I also have my mixed spice or giawari. I have some salted beef. You can see that here. I have my tomato puree or tomato paste. I have some garlic. I have ginger. You can see my ginger is a lot because I'm say ginger and entry here. And then I have my scotch bonnet pepper, the red and then the yellow. And then I have some onions. And then I have my Prekese. Now I'm prepping my chicken. This is the layer full chicken. Yeah, so I'm dressing it, preparing it nicely for my soup. Yeah, you need to do it very nice. It's good. As you can see, I'm doing that. Hey, this chicken is skinny. Chicken when you ankaza you do anything here. So with this you need to cut the edges and make it suitable for the soup, and also the sizes should be medium so that everybody can enjoy it. So I wash my chicken and then straight to my pots and then to the fire. Now I'm preparing my mise en place. I'm blending my ginger, garlic and onion. Now my meat has started boiling and it is smelling nice, so I add my mise en place to it. And you can see it's quite many. Yeah, it's a lot because then I add it. Then I add my mixed spice to it. At this point, I add my Maggie tablet to it. Yeah. Then I add my salt to it. And be careful with the salt because peanut butter can get over salted with the slightest mistake. Trust me, the aroma coming is great. So I add my onion, my peppers and my Prekese. My turkey berries are boiling already, ready to blend. I'm dishing my peanut butter into a bowl where I'll be mixing together with my tomato puree. Yeah, so I'm going to mix it to get a consistency that I want for my soup, like I'm doing here. I've mixed it with water and then I'm cooking it a bit. Yeah, I'll just stir it and then it will boil for a while before I add it to the soup. It makes it sweeter and then helps in the cooking process. At this point, my onions are ready and my peppers here. So you can see I'm going to blend them and also add my turkey berries to it. You can see that in the blender. So I'm blending them and then straight to the soup. See, I didn't add fresh tomatoes to it because I added tomato puree to the mixture of the peanut butter. Yeah, so I add my blended pepper, turkey berries and onions to the soup. And my sister, the aroma coming out is superb. Yeah, I'm adding some water to it to boil. Now my peanut butter paste is ready and ready for the soup. Hey, yeah, you can see the oil on top of the peanut butter. It means it's ready. Yeah, it's cooked also. Please be careful you don't burn yourself because it comes out and it's hot. So my soup is ready to receive the peanut butter I added to it. Ah, so cool. And quite nice, so cool. See, Evee, when we are there, so cool. Ne mape. Yes, so I rinse and then add some water to it to a level I want, and then I'll allow it to boil gently, gradually for it to be. Yeah, it's boiling, so I'll cover it halfway. After cooking for about 30 minutes, our peanut butter soup is done. Ready for chop, chop, chop. Yellow, 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 yellow. Our peanut butter soup, groundnut soup for Nkatekwan is ready. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy mine with some rice balls. Please join me, let's have lunch, okay? So please try your hands on it, very simple, and send me a comment. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the likes, the subscriptions, the comments, everything. I'm overwhelmed. God bless you. God bless you. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Bye bye.